and we are here with the most advanced security gadget for your child, MySecureKid. So today we'll be doing the unboxing of MySecureKid MSK 400T version to see exactly what is there in store for your kid. So this is the packaging which you'll receive after ordering this product from MySecureKid.com. You can see a beautifully high quality packed product. On the top, you can see the watch variant is displayed along with the 3 colors available for this variant. At the side, the watch features are displayed along with a support number. And this is the site, that is MySecureKid.com, where you can order this product online. Let's start with the unboxing. So the first thing which you'll notice is the MySecureKid MSK 400T watch. So we'll talk about this later. Let's see what is there in store for your kid. You will get a magnetic charging cable, a user manual, and a warranty card which is valid for 1 year from the date of purchase. So keeping this aside now, let's have a look at this beautiful MySecureKid watch. The first thing which you'll notice is the home screen button at the top. Then coming to the side, you will notice 2 buttons, which is a power button and an SOS button. SOS button is for SOS calling. Like if your child needs you, he can press this button for 5 seconds and seek help from the 3 pre-registered numbers. At the back, this is a SIM slot where an Airtel SIM is already inserted, which you will be getting free of cost, and you will be also getting 1 year free subscription which will include free calling and free data. Below this is the body detecting sensor which detects your child body. Like if your child is wearing this watch and then he accidentally removes this watch or intentionally removes this watch, then you will get a notification on that app that your child has removed your watch. Then this is the magnetic charging port which is for charging this watch. I'll show you how this charging works. This is the magnetic charging cable. You will insert this into the charger or your laptop and just fit this like this, and the charging starts. This was about the charging. So this was about the unboxing of MySecureKid MSK 400T version watch. For more videos, you can log on to our YouTube channel, MySecureKid.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, MySecureKid.com. After wearing this watch, the parent can proudly say them as MySecureKid, as the name suggests. Thank you.